So up to there. So we are on the key of E. We are doing it on E today. So E is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1 is E, 2 is F sharp, 3 is G sharp, 4 is A, 5 is B, 6 is C sharp, 7 is D sharp, 1 or 8 or 1 which is E. So the chords we are using, I'm starting from 1 to 9. So I'm playing 1, this side is E, this is like 1, 1, 5 and 1, E. Then I play 4, this side is 4, still on the 1, then back to 1. So I play 1, 1, 4, this side 1, this side 4, 1. So 4 is just A, this side. Then I do, this still is 1, then I do, this is 3, no, 2, from 2 to 3, like play chromatic, playing 2 to 3. This is 3, then you play, then you play, that is 6, then 2, then flat 7, then 5, then you play, come on, this still like 3, come on, and then 4, then our 2, which is F sharp minor, then again 3, then 4, 2, then 5. So the chords are 1, then 4, this side 1, then go back to 1, then play, this is 3, that is still 3, softer, then you play 6, 2, flat 7, 5, then 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Then you can play 5. This is 5, this is 4 to start the song. Then you play, then you play, then this one, then you play, So tutavu, this is one tutavu, then this is like playing, you flatten, this is 7, not 7, this is a flat 2, you just play flat 2, this side and flat 2 and 7, flat 2, no, flat 2 and this is called 1, 2, 3, 4, flat 2 and 5, then flat 5, flat 2 and flat 5. Tutavu, tutavu, then mapambo, this still on E. Mapambo, then you play 6, 5, then 2, 6, then you play coming to 2, then 5, then you play 6, 7, then you 1, sharp 1, 2, sharp 2, 3, then 4. E is actually very easy. It's not, if you play F sharp you can play E. That is what I know, because the chords, we have our F sharp minor, we have our G sharp, we have A, we have B, we have the C sharp. So those chords are all in F sharp. So let me do it for the last time. We start here. Tunaomba uwepo wako uende nasi. That is the E. So chords are 1, then you play 4 over 1 over 4, you go back, then you play 3, 3, 6, 2, flat 7, 5, then you play, this is like 3, going to 4, then 2, that is still 3, or 4, 5, 1, then you can play that chord. This side is you play 5, this side you play 4. As the song starts, or as we play the chorus, then you play, this is like 6, 5, then you play 2, 2, then you play, we're taking it to 2, then 5, then you play 6, 7, 1, sharp 1, 2, sharp 2, 3, 4, 1, now 10. Just like that. So God bless you. I'll also do it in another key.